Welcome to my channel. Hi beauties, if your hair feels weak, damaged, or breaks easily, you know how hard it is to bring back strength and shine. Today I'm sharing my experience with the Shu Uemura Ashita Supreme Strengthening Mask, a luxurious treatment that deeply nourishes, hydrates, and helps reduce breakage while leaving your hair smooth, soft, and radiant. The Shu Uemura Ashita Supreme Strengthening Mask is a deeply nourishing treatment mask infused with botanical extracts and premium Japanese ingredients. It strengthens hair from within to help prevent breakage, while also softening and smoothing for a silky finish. Perfect for women with damaged, fragile, or chemically treated hair, this mask targets the core issues: weakness, dryness, and lack of shine, delivering results you can see and feel after just one use. Hair feels instantly revitalized, and with consistent use, it gains long-lasting resilience and brilliance. The lightweight yet intensive formula penetrates deeply into the hair fiber, making it ideal for those who want strength without heaviness. It transforms dull, brittle strands into healthy-looking hair full of movement and natural shine. Benefits: this mask is packed with benefits that make it a standout in luxury hair care. Deep nourishment and hydration. Restores essential moisture, leaving hair supple and touchably soft. Strengthens to reduce breakage, reinforces weak strands, helping to minimize split ends and breakage. Enhances smoothness and shine, creates a sleek, glossy finish while taming frizz. Luxurious Japanese ingredients. Inspired by traditional beauty rituals, the formula balances strength and elegance. Together, these benefits make the Ashita Supreme Mask a must-have for anyone seeking salon-quality results at home. Suggested use: to experience its full effect, apply the mask after shampooing on clean, wet hair. Take a quarter-sized amount of product. Gently massage into mid-lengths and ends, where hair typically needs the most care. Leave on for 5 minutes to allow the formula to deeply penetrate. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. For best results, use it regularly as part of your weekly or bi-weekly hair care routine. It works beautifully on its own but can be paired with other Shu Uemura hair care products for a complete ritual. Why choose Shu Uemura Ashita Supreme Strengthening Mask? Deeply nourishes and hydrates dry, damaged hair. Strengthens strands to prevent breakage and reduce damage. Leaves hair smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. Formulated with luxurious Japanese ingredients inspired by centuries-old beauty traditions. Provides salon-quality results at home. Suitable for all hair types, especially those with damaged or fragile strands. Final thoughts: the Shu Uemura Ashita Supreme Strengthening Mask is more than a hair treatment. It's a luxurious ritual that transforms the way your hair looks and feels. From the very first application, hair feels smoother, stronger, and more manageable. Over time, it helps reduce breakage, restores hydration, and revives shine, making even the most damaged strands look healthy and full of life again. If your hair needs strength, hydration, and a boost of radiance, this mask is a beauty investment worth making. Pamper your strands with the richness of Shu Uemura's Japanese-inspired care, and enjoy hair that looks stronger, shinier, and more beautiful with every use. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.